Hello guys, I'm back. Next week they will be resetting Madden Mobile, so I'm gonna be making new videos from the start. But this is gonna be about. I think there's gonna be 2 videos, something like that, because I got 61,000 coins, and before the season start, I just wanted to spend all my coins real quick. So let's just get this started. I'm gonna be making 2 videos because I might not be able to finish from this video. Oh, we already got an elite player. Zach Martin, 86 overall, 69 speed. Oh, he's an OG. 86 strength. Oh, 90 run block. That's good. That's good. Oh, crap. He got a 94 also. Yeah, so that probably is like a good player. Oh my gosh, I thought I put on a lead. Okay, looks like they're not giving us no more good people. Oh, we got 2 more openings. Oh crap! Oh crap! I don't got a pro pack collectible. Oh crap! I thought that was something for Odell, boy. I just got a pro pack collectible. And they should have gave me something else than that. Yeah, only look like we only got 1 elite. Wait, let's play next. Probably we still don't have enough, but let's go put in this thing. Okay, where is it? Okay, here it is. Hopefully this pro pack gonna let me give us something good. No, they do not give us nothing good. Well, this was a short video. Thought it was gonna be really long, but I didn't really have that much money because I haven't been playing this a lot. But you see in my season, I did nothing but straight up wins. Oh crap! Why did I do this? Broncos versus Bills, 50-67. I'ma miss my team though. Oh snap. I'ma miss my team. But look, everybody gonna restart, so that means that all I gotta do is keep on doing season, get 1 elite running back, save all my coins, and then I might just snipe and just save up to like 1 million and buy Bo Jackson, cause that's the only person I need, or Barry Sanders, or I can just and then I could just buy a whole bunch of pro bats. Just let me know in the comment. Comment in the comment below, and then I'll do that next week, cause that's when I think they supposed to be resetting Madden Mobile. I don't know. Just let me know in the comments.